I just got this cake up out the oven, goddamn me now, for my 6-year-old daughter. Today her birthday, goddamn me, so I'm surprising her with this cake that I just baked, homemade, fresh, goddamn me. Oh yeah, this mug gonna be yummy. I can't wait to dig my snagger tooth ass gums down in this right here, boy. Yeah, buddy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at that right there. Layers, layers. Oh yeah. Freshly baked. This is what I do. I'm well fine. I'm gonna straight take it down through here too. God damn me. Oh yeah. Six-year-old baby daughter. I cut it in the shape of a heart, as y'all can see. Oh yeah. Yummy.